What's up, squad? Welcome back to another episode of Drop the Heat. I think I'm in love. Alright, squad, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Go ahead and turn on your notifications. Subscribe to the channel for more content. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button. So let's jump right into the love story of how we first met up until my current relationship as of now with her. And it started like this. Basically, we met through an online dating app. We went to a place called Wild Goose and had coffee together. We talked about our past relationships and how we didn't want things to move into our future. And we talked about our work status, what we actually do for a living. So discussing all that, I did not think that everything was gonna go that smoothly, in which it did. So we came up with an idea to actually go to another restaurant, which was called Pig Latin. Now, Pig Latin was a nice little joint, nice little restaurant. They serve like tacos and shrimp and things like that. So go ahead, look up Pig Latin if you guys want to check that out. I speak highly on it as far as an amazing restaurant. So we moved forward. Jump into our second date. I remember that we went to go see 21 Bridges at the movies, and it was about a 6.5. As far as the movie plot, could have been a whole lot better, but I definitely enjoyed it. Enjoyed my time with her. We ended up shooting to this Thai restaurant, which was so awesome, man. I love spicy foods. I don't know why. I guess that's because I'm from the South. We got past that, decided to go ahead and start exercising, start running, start playing basketball. And I never knew that I would meet somebody that loved to work out. We walked around the park. I think that was like one of the most romantic things, you know what I'm saying? Walking around a park with a lake in the center to get that cardio up and see a beautiful sight. So things started taking off pretty quickly. A lot of time has passed. I remember that we got placed on lockdown. So we started focusing all our attention on the games such as Uno, Spades, Jenga, etc. to buy some time. But then COVID-19 was still taking effect as far as the lockdown, so all stores had to go ahead and await till the lockdown was actually lifted. When I look back on it, she was there for my birthday, which was one of those important days of my life. She showered me with gifts. I'm pretty happy with how everything turned out. COVID-19 basically brought us together and taught us things that we didn't know about ourselves and how we could relate to one another. So I think things are going pretty smoothly now. She is currently about to leave to go to Florida to chase her dreams, and I will slowly follow after her. So I'm kind of, shocked that this moment is coming up. I think we have about 25 more days left at this point. So I am really sad. I'm taking it one day at a time. I don't know. I'm not trying to rush anything. We are spending most of our time in these last couple weeks together as much as possible to build a closer and stronger bond. So I'm happy with how everything is going. I'm at a stage where I think I can say I love her. So if you guys like the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content. I will catch you guys in the next video. Drop the heat. We out of here.